Come with me while I pack up a gourmet dinner for a family of 5. Seasoning up some lamb chops, got some boiling potatoes going, made an apricot glaze that I put over some baked chicken, making sure each one has a good coating. Pan searing the lamb chops. Making sure they have a good sear on both sides. Mashing up those potatoes. Getting the pan nice and ready for some salmon. Making sure they're seared on both sides as well. Got some asparagus going, got some fluffy potatoes. Making sure they have a nice amount on each side. These are for the kids. Making sure they have a good little amount of veggies too. They got 2 on each one. These are so cute. They look like miniature T-bone steaks. Putting the glaze on top of the lamb. The mom wanted a variety of everything, so that's what she got. And the dad, he wanted to keep it a little simple. He just wanted meat and mashed potatoes.